All right, let's look at um, the logical data. So as you know, there is true and false. So for example, you could create array like this. All right. True, false, true. One represent true, zero represent zero. But usually we don't do it like this. I mean, you could, but that's not what we do. Usually, for example, we do it to check. You know, we use it with logical operations, with logical operations. Let's create an array with 5 elements, 1 to 5, as you see in here, and then we create another one, y. Okay, y, um, like this. So this is this x and this y. And now I need to create array z which compares x to y. So if x greater than y, then it'll give you 1. If x not greater than y, will give you 0. So it's like a logical check. Let's try it out. Here you go. So look in here. So is 1 greater than 2? No. It gave you false. Is 2 greater than 0? Yes. Gave you true. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes. Gave you true. Is 4 greater than 9? No. Gave you 0. Is 5 greater than 4? Yes. Gave you 1. So we use it to create, an array that checks for the results, for the results. And also these arrays are used in the logical functions and usually are not even seen by the user. I mean, this is part of the process. Okay, so for example, you could use it as find. You know, we have learned about find before. I'm sure you have used it. All right. Let's do find. Yeah, let's do find. So find all the elements where x is greater than y. All the elements are greater than 5. Let's run it first. Aha. So it tells us that element number 2 and 3 and 5 uh, meet this condition. Okay, so element 2, where you compare, like this is 2 is greater than 0, that's correct, and 3, which is 3 greater than 1, that's correct, and then 5 greater than 4. So it tells you that element 2, element 3, element 5 meet this condition. So it's a very handy, very useful in many applications that you can